Now I said as we are going to start general substitution, or we can say the standard substitution. Yesterday I explained most of the things. In the root of a square minus x square whenever appears under root of a square minus x square, substitute x is equal to a sine theta. Yesterday I told you why we have substituting that. Now I am just giving the formulas again. Under root of a square plus x square, we can substitute x is equal to a tan theta. You know, the if you substitute in the place of x is a tan theta, that is a square tan square theta, a square common out, 1 plus tan square theta, that is x square theta, the square root cancel. To make square root cancel, we are doing all these things. Under root of x square minus a square, that is I can write x is equal to a sec theta. And here also, you just to cancel the square root, we use these substitutions. Under root of a square minus x square upon a square plus x square. This is implies we can use x square place as a square cos 2 theta. Just remember this. This is most important, and I explained yesterday why we are substituting this. Simple thing. You substitute in this, take a square common, see some formula is entering, and square root cancel. To make square root cancel, we are using these substitutions. Okay, let us see some formulas, good formulas. That is integration of dx upon under root of x square plus a square. Under root of integration of dx upon under root of x square minus a square. What is the formula? ln mod. Always here ln, when you have, you can take mod also. Sometimes the people will take as bracket, you can take modulus. The both things are same. So ln x plus under root of x square plus a square is the formula. And integration of dx upon under root of x square minus a square, that is the formula is ln mod plus x, sorry, ln mod x plus under root of x square minus a square dx. This is what the formula we have. And how you got this formula, you think means just I'll give the hint how to solve this. Basically nobody will ask you how the formula is derived, but you should know that I'll give some steps, so I'll give how to solve, so you can solve it. So integration of dx upon under root of x square plus a square formula is what? ln x plus under root of x square plus a square. Integration of dx upon under root of x square minus a square is what? ln mod x plus under root of x square minus a square dx. Now how you are proving this one? For first one I am proving here. Let us consider x is equal to tan theta. Now I am considering proving this one. So x is equal to a tan theta I am taking. If I take a tan theta, reason is what here? I told you x square plus a square plus a square. See here, under root of a square plus x square, I can use x is equal to a tan theta. So I can use here x is equal to a tan theta. That's what I am using here. So if I use here x place as a tan theta, that is a tan theta whole square, that is a square tan square theta. Are you getting it? A square tan square theta. A square, if I take common, are you getting what I am explaining here? Here you understood. If I substitute here under root of a square tan square theta plus a square, I get, if I substitute x is equal to a tan theta, and if I take a square common in this, dx upon, if I take a square common is tan square theta plus 1, that is sec square theta, under root of I get as a square sec square theta, square root cancel, you get as sec theta. A sec theta means the denominator is becoming as a sec theta. Are you getting it? The total this thing is becoming as a sec theta when I am substituting x is equal to a tan theta in this. So numerator part, what happening? Numerator part is if x is equal to a tan theta, then differential this one dx is equal to a is a, tan theta differential is sec square theta, tan theta differentiation is sec square theta d theta. Means dx, the dx I can change as a sec square theta d theta. So this entire question is changing as integration of a sec square theta d theta upon a sec theta. A cancel, 1 sec cancel, integration of sec theta d theta. What is integration of sec theta? That is ln mod sec theta plus tan theta plus c. This already I derived. Now sec theta, now how you got this one? You know tan theta value is x by a. Then tan theta here in the place of tan theta I can write x by a. In the place of sec theta, what can I write here? You can substitute here sec square theta minus tan square theta 1. From that you can get the sec square theta value here. That sec square theta you substitute and you simplify, means you get this answer, x plus under root of x square plus a square. So that is the reason I am not explaining this method, but only you need to remember the formula. That's you remember. Okay, you need to remember this formula, that's it. And you need to remember this formula, that's it. And for this to get answer, what I have to substitute? X square minus a square. X square minus a square means you should substitute x is equal to a sec theta. If you substitute x is equal to a sec theta, you will get this answer. Perhaps right now you have to do is just remember the formula, that's it. Okay, let us start questions based on this standard substitution, which are very important in the next class. Thank you so much.